Everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll speak about such fix or حصلت بالموستين files TV weekly constituents. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about send files to TV and you click here. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to press the bell icon and subscribe.